Okay, can we talk about Fetch? The Fetch Rewards app. This is an app that converts grocery store receipts that you've bought and converts them into points so that you can earn rewards. In this video, I'm going to be covering a complete review of what the Fetch Rewards app is and if it's worth downloading. Hey guys, welcome back to The College Investor, investing and personal finance for millennials. So there's a lot of these reward apps out there that are going to give you points based upon your grocery store spending. But what I like about Fetch particularly is it's just so dang easy to use. You literally just scan your grocery receipt, turn those transactions into points, and then as you accumulate points, you can exchange that for gift cards. So the way that you can earn points on Fetch, there's a couple of different ways. First, the easiest thing is just to scan your grocery receipt as is, and then you can upload points. I noticed that the minimum amount of points that you can receive per receipt is 25 points. In order to get a payout with Fetch, you have to have a $3 minimum, which is honestly the lowest minimum out there compared to other apps like Ibotta, which I think is $20 to get your minimum payout. You can also earn points by purchasing participating products, and then there are special offers on certain products. And then lastly, you can earn points by referring your friends and family members. Side note, if you want to sign up using our link below, then you will get an additional 3,000 points to get started. So let's go ahead and jump into my Fetch app and I will show you how this works. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see that you can earn points from a variety of different products. But like I was saying, if you just scan your receipt, you're still going to get points. I myself shop a lot of the store brand names, and oftentimes those aren't included as a special product offer. You're going to have to look for brand names, which is fine if you are, for example, a Axe user. Then you can get 8 times the points back if you buy any Axe related products. So it is helpful if you're going to the grocery store to look at what kind of brands are having special product offers, but you don't need to clip anything. Literally, you can just double check and look at, Love Beauty and Planet products are really good body wash and shampoo and conditioner. If you are in the market to buy that, you should do so now, because if you purchase that product within that given date, that valid date on the receipt, you get 8 times the points back. So it's good to check right before you go to the grocery store just to see what kind of products are available with the special product offers. Otherwise, you can simply hit this orange button and it's going to scan that receipt and upload it for you. Also, another really cool feature about Fetch is that your Amazon receipts also work with this too. So if you see the little blue button, you'll have to link this with your own Amazon account. But if you click the blue button, link your Amazon account, it's going to check Amazon for any valid purchases. So let's see what it does here. Okay. Cool. So it looks like I received 25 points from a recent Amazon purchase. And it says now every time you scan any receipt, you will receive at least 5 points. Okay. But oftentimes I'm getting 25 points. Let's see what my other one was. 25 points again. So I'm going to click done. And then back up at the top at the home screen, you'll see your point amount total. And then you can go to activity and see how much points you've earned within the week, month, or year. And then when you're ready to cash out, my favorite part, you can go over to rewards, and all of your rewards are going to be paid out in the form of a gift card. So if there's a drawback to Fetch, it would be there's no direct cash payout via PayPal, for example. I think Ibotta does a PayPal cash payout, but with Fetch, you're going to get it in the the form of a gift card, which is okay because I love using these types of gift cards for Christmas shopping. I love using it for birthdays or just treating myself and not having to go into my normal monthly budget for this type of stuff. So they have literally hundreds of gift cards and gift card categories that you can choose from. Oh, this is interesting. I mean, you could cash this in for a Visa gift card, which is basically like cash anyways. So you can scroll through these. The minimum threshold payout is again $3, but if you really like to accumulate your points and get a higher reward, you can do so. And you can see every time that there is an orange ring around the different type of gift card amounts means you're eligible for that. So I have 13,000 points, which is $13, and I can get a $10 gift card to Applebee's, for example. All right, so the best things about Fetch, no clipping of coupons. You scan it immediately and make sure you are scanning your receipts within, I think it's 7 to 14 days after you have made that purchase. Otherwise, if you wait too long, it'll expire out and those points, those grocery receipts won't count. So make sure you scan them immediately after you come home from the grocery store. You can also scan other receipts like from your local butcher, Target, Walmart. All of those stores also apply to give you points for Fetch as well as linking your Amazon account. I think Fetch is an awesome app. It's so easy to use and it doesn't take me a lot of time. That's the number one thing. Like, I don't want to waste a lot of time clipping coupons and trying to figure out how to maximize my points. I just want to upload the receipt and go on with my day. So if you're interested in Fetch, go ahead and click our link below. For more information on savings and money saving apps, be sure to visit thecollegeinvestor.com.